Hello, Mr. Cooper's class. I'm so sorry I could not be there today to be with you guys. However, I'm expecting a fabulous report from your substitute, Miss Wooster. So I'm going to tell you what you're going to be doing today, give you a few tips and pointers, and then you guys are going to work the rest of the class. So of course you are finishing your comic strips today. Okay, these examples will be available to you. They will be sitting on the projector. Use them if you need to. Be careful with them. But remember to follow your guidelines. Use your resources. So let's look at those together. Okay, so you have the same guidelines I'm looking at right now. Remember, you need to include at least 2 different characters. You need to include a greeting. That's your hola, your buenos dias, your buenas tardes, your buenas noches. You have those things for you on your guidelines and in your Spanish folders. You need an introduction. Remember, ¿cómo te llamas? Means what is your name? And me llamo means my name is. So you need to, your characters need to say these things. You also need to include the question, ¿Qué te gusta hacer? At least twice. And then you need to include a positive and negative response. So yes, I like to do that, sí me gusta, or no, I do not like to do that, no me gusta. You guys need to work the entire class period. I would like to collect these at the end of class, so you may put them in a pile and actually give them to the substitute, and she will get those to me so that I can look at them, and then I will return them to you before the end of the year. Okay, have fun, work diligently, use your resources, and I will see you soon. Adios.